what you do. You know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say. I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, night, baby, all night. 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 I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need. All night. All night. I try to stay calm, but it feels like I'm a ticking bomb. Cause I'm crazy for you. You know it's what you say and what you do. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, night, baby, all night. 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 I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need. All night. All night. All night. Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist and intense fire will take us higher than higher. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through
This love ain't yours for the taking. And baby, this heart can't tell what's right or wrong. I know that no love ain't real if something's broken, but I know that we both gotta know it's time to let go. In the end, it's only down to us. There's no love nor love, and I hate that I admit we're at the breaking point. At the breaking point, time to break it. Don't need no battle scars. It's not a false alarm. Before it's breaking us, let's face the breaking point. The breaking point. Face the breaking point. Just get it done. Face the breaking point. This love won't be what it has been, but baby, our love was good before we lost the little loving that we had in the beginning. And baby, now we know we gotta let go. Don't need to hold on, cause relationship is built on trust, on pure love and love. And I hate that I admit we're at the breaking point. At the breaking point, time to break it. Don't need no battle scars. It's not a false alarm. Before it's breaking us, let's face the breaking point. The breaking point. Face the breaking point. Just get it done. Face the breaking point. It doesn't matter how we do it, but the truth is so face the breaking point. And I don't care if I go down with it the way I see it, there's no point. Cause in the end it's only down to us. There's no love nor love, and I don't wanna admit we're at the breaking point. Don't need no battle scars. It's not a false alarm. Before it's breaking us, let's face the breaking point. The breaking point. Face the breaking point. Just get it done. Face the breaking point. Don't need no battle scars. It's not a false alarm. Before it's breaking us, let's face the breaking point. The breaking point. Face the breaking point. Just get it done. Face the breaking point.
One last night here with you, came to set the record straight, and in this letting go. But every time I'm a fool, now it's already too late. Boy, your kiss can't say no. Baby, I'm so done with the crazy ways. You're the one being gone for days, like I didn't even care. Tell me why do you think you deserve my love? We don't want that I'm thinking of. Can't you see that we don't have a future? You and I say my love is blind when your eyes meet mine. I'm just an addict, boy, you turn me on. I just can't move on. I'm just an addict. One more night in your bed, just like that first time we met. You always want some more. Oh, and I can't fight or reset. Try so hard but can't forget. Drop your clothes to the floor. Baby, I'm so done with the crazy ways. You're the one being gone for days, like I didn't even care. Tell me why do you think you deserve my love? We don't want that I'm thinking of. Can't you see that we don't have wish I could let go. Yeah. But every touch gives me a rush. I can tell wrong from right. So I'll stay another night. Still my love is blind when your eyes meet mine. No, 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 I'm just an addict. Boy, you turn me on. I just can't move on. I just can't move on. Oh, I'm just an addict. The work of magic. I'm stuck here on automatic. No, 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 I'm just an addict. The work of magic. I'm stuck here on automatic. Yeah. Just an addict.
Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down.